Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. Today we'll start a new chapter. Who lives where? Okay. Now, Novi's friend live in different states of India. Read the clues and help Novi to find where each of his friends is. Now, what will we do? We'll read each and every question and we'll try to guess from which state does Novi's friend belongs to. Okay. Now, we'll start reading question number 1. Arnab lives in Kolkata. Where does Arnab live? Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali. That means his language is Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. See, can you see this picture? This is goddess Durga. Okay. So, Arnab celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to the state West Bengal. W-E-S-T. West Bengal. B-E-N-G-A-L. West Bengal. Okay. So, Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to West Bengal. Okay. Kolkata is a city in West Bengal. Now let's read the second question. Question number 2. Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and loves to play Dandiya. She belongs to now. Where does Alka live? Alka lives in Gandhinagar. Okay. Then she speaks Gujarati. Her language is Gujarati. The same way you speak Hindi, English, the same way Alka speaks Gujarati and loves to play Dandiya. Now look at this picture. These two people are playing Dandiya. She belongs to which state does she belongs to? Yes, she belongs to Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. She belongs to Gujarat. Gandhinagar is a city in Gujarat. Okay. So Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and she loves to play Dandiya and she belongs to Gujarat. Now, read the third question. Now, Vinod lives in Mumbai. Okay, where does Vinod live? Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi. His language is Marathi and celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to, now here, Vinod lives in Maharashtra. He speaks Marathi and he celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. Can you see these two children praying in front of Lord Ganesha? Yes. Yes, you can see. So he belongs to which state? He belongs to Maharashtra. Now how will you write Maharashtra? M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Okay. He belongs to Maharashtra. So Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi and celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. And Mumbai is a city in Maharashtra. So now we will read question number 4. Meena lives in Chennai and she speaks Tamil. Okay. She celebrates Pongal. She belongs to, now where does Meena live? Meena lives in Chennai. And which language does she speak? She speaks Tamil. And she celebrates Pongal. See here. You can see two people who are celebrating Pongal. Yes. Now which state does she belongs to? She belongs to Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L, Tamil, N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now we will read the next question. Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So he belongs to which state? Now see, Karan lives in Chandigarh and he celebrates Lohri. Can you see two people here dancing in front of the fire? One is playing the drum and second one is dancing. They are celebrating Lohri. And which language does he speaks? He speaks Punjabi. So which state does he belongs to? Yes, he belongs to Punjab. So Punjab. He belongs to Punjab. Very nice. Now, read the question number 6. Brinda. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assami. She belongs to, now, where does Brinda live? Brinda lives in Dispur and she celebrates Bihu. And what does she speak? She speaks Assami. So which state does she belongs to? She belongs to Assam. A-S-S-A-M. Assam. Okay. So again, we'll just have a quick recap here. Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to West Bengal. Then Alka lives in Gujarat. She speaks Gujarati. She loves to play Dandiya. She belongs to Gujarat. Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi and he celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. So he belongs to Maharashtra. Meena lives in Chennai and speaks Tamil. She celebrates Pongal. She belongs to Tamil Nadu. Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. He belongs to Punjab. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assami. So she belongs to Assam. Now we'll turn the page to page number 8. Okay, turn your page. Now this chapter is being eco-friendly. Here some children are talking about their habits. Color the circle green if their habits are eco-friendly and red if they are not. Eco-friendly means they are helping our nature, and if they are making any nuisance or harm to nature, then you will put red. If they are good habits, you will color it with red color, red crayon. And if the habits are not eco-friendly, you will color the circle with red. Okay. Now see, look at the first picture. This is the picture. Let me see the brush. Look at this first picture. Yes. Now what is happening here? You can see a boy who is brushing his teeth near the basin and with the tap on. है ना? बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? बच्चा ब्रश कर रहा है और उसकी जो टैप है वो ऑन है. Now see what is written there in the box, in the dialog box. I let the tap run. Tap water run while I brush my teeth. Now अब ये बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? ये बच्चा teeth brush कर रहा है. The boy is brushing his teeth. And what is he doing? He has on the tap and the water is running. Is the boy using the water? No. The water is running without any use. The boy is not using the water. So this is a wastage of water. So is this eco-friendly? No. This is not eco-friendly. ये अच्छी चीज़ है नहीं. जब आपको पानी का ज़रूरत नहीं है तो आपको पानी बंद कर देना चाहिए. आपको नल बंद कर देना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? इससे पानी वेस्ट हो जाएगा. अब जो पानी गिर गया है आप उसको यूज़ कर पाएंगे? नहीं यूज़ कर पाएंगे. तो ये कैसी हैबिट हुई? इको फ्रेंडली? नहीं, ये तो नहीं हुई. दिस इज हार्मिंग आवर नेचर. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल कलर दिस red. Okay, so let me find red color. Yes, I got red. Then we'll erase this. And what will we do? We will color this red. Okay, so what will you do? You will color this red. Now look at the second picture here. Now what is happening here? This is a cute girl, very pretty girl. What is she doing? She has a soap in her hand. What does she has? Yes, she has a soap in her hand. Now what is she saying? आप डायलॉग बॉक्स में देखेंगे कि ये क्या कह रही है. I know that some soaps and cosmetics are tested on animals and they hurt them, so I do not use them. Now what is happening here? देखो बच्चों, जब कोई भी चीज़ बनती है तो उसे टेस्ट किया जाता है सो दैट वो आपके लिए सेफ हो. ओके, अगर उसे टेस्ट नहीं किया गया तो जो भी उसके हार्मफुल इफ़ेक्ट्स है वो हमें मिल जाएंगे. तो इसीलिए हर प्रोडक्ट को लैब में टेस्ट किया जाता है. So sometimes what happens is some testers और some scientists कोई भी चीज़ है उसे एनिमल पे टेस्ट करते हैं. So sometimes there are harmful effects, यानी कभी कभार जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बड़ा ही हार्मफुल हो जाता है. Yes or no? हाँ, वो हार्मफुल हो जाता है. तो वो हार्मफुल इफ़ेक्ट्स कहाँ पे आ जाते हैं? एनिमल्स पे आ जाते हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा? वो सारा जितना भी नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स है वो एनिमल पे आ जाएगा, तो एनिमल सफ़र करेगा. अब एनिमल्स तो बोल नहीं सकते, दे कैन नॉट स्पीक योर लैंग्वेज, तो उनको जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा वो आपको बता पाएंगे? नहीं, वो आपको नहीं बता पाएंगे. सो व्हाट डज दिस गर्ल डू? वो चेक करती है कि ये सोप जो है, ये जो कॉस्मेटिक्स हैं, क्या ये एनिमल पे टेस्ट होते हैं या नहीं. अगर वो टेस्ट होते हैं तो वो सोप यूज़ नहीं करती. मीन्स ये जो गर्ल है ये ऐसे सोप्स यूज़ नहीं करती जो एनिमल्स पे टेस्ट होते हैं. तो ये इको फ्रेंडली हुआ कि नहीं? दिस इज़ गुड फॉर एनिमल्स और नो? यस, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? हम इसे ग्रीन कर देंगे. ग्रीन क्यों करेंगे हम? क्योंकि ये एक अच्छी आदत. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल कलर दिस green. Yes or no? Yes. See, the first habit is the boy is brushing his teeth and letting the water go, wasting the water. वो water waste कर रहा है, so ये bad habit हुई. This is not eco-friendly. Yes or no? हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए? नहीं, हमें नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए. हमें water waste नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है? Now see, look at the third picture. Now what is happening in the third picture? A boy is carrying a bag full of groceries. वो सारा सामान लेके जा रहा. तो अब ये क्या कह रहा है? I use only paper and jute bags. They can be recycled, so they do not pollute earth. अब ये जो बच्चा है ये क्या कर रहा है? ये बच्चा जो है, look here, ये जूट बैग एंड पेपर बैग्स यूज़ करता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये रिसाइकल होता है. दैट मीन्स ये जो है इसे रिसाइकल हम कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स ये अर्थ को हार्म नहीं करता है और ये अर्थ को पॉल्यूट भी नहीं करता. ये तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि नहीं? इट इज़ हेल्पिंग आवर मदर नेचर. सो इज़ दिस अ गुड हैबिट? येस, दिस इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. हमें प्लास्टिक बैग्स यूज़ नहीं करने चाहिए. यस और नो? बिकॉज ये अर्थ को पॉल्यूट करते हैं, ये अर्थ को हार्म करते हैं, ये अर्थ को प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं. लेकिन जूट बैग्स, पेपर बैग्स जो है ये अर्थ को हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, यस, वेरी नाइस. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ गुड हैबिट. तो आप क्या करेंगे? सर्कल को आप कलर ग्रीन करेंगे. ओके. Now look at the next picture. What is happening here? I reuse old wrapping paper to wrap present. Now see this boy, ये क्या कर रहा है? पुराने wrapping papers को यूज़ कर रहा है. That means रिसाइकल कर रहा है. रिसाइकल करना बहुत अच्छी बात होती है, अर्थ के लिए भी, हमारे लिए भी. क्यों? क्योंकि रिसाइकल करने से अर्थ को बहुत मदद मिलती है. एंड इट इज़ अ इको फ्रेंडली हैबिट. ओके, वेरी नाइस. सो ये जो बच्चा है, दिस बॉय इज यूजिंग ओल्ड रैपिंग पेपर्स टू रैप न्यू प्रेजेंट्स. वो रैपिंग पेपर्स का वैसे भी ज़रूरत नहीं होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप गिफ्ट रैप करते हो, फिर उसको आप कहीं यूज़ करते हो? बिल्कुल नहीं. सो आप रीयूज़ कर करके उसे हेल्प कर सकते हो नेचर की. नाउ दिस इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. Okay, now look at the next picture. What is happening here? These two friends have gone for boating. आप भी जाते हो कि नहीं boating? Yes, हम भी जाते हैं पिकनिक पे. Yes. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? They are boating. They are boating in a lake. It might be a river or a lake, but it is a water body. Okay. Now what is the girl saying? Let's throw the trash in the water. No one will notice. अब ये लड़की क्या कह रही है? What is the girl saying? That we will throw the trash in water and nobody will come to know. Now if you know that there are many animals who live in water. These animals are called aquatic animals like fish. Yes or no? You have tortoise and many such aquatic animals are there in water. Water bodies are home to such animals. जैसे आपके लिए आपका घर है वैसे ही वाटर aquatic animals के लिए घर है. तो वहाँ पे अगर ट्रैश अगर कोई फेंकेगा तो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स को अच्छा लगेगा नहीं, उनको तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. आपको भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना जब आपके घर में कोई ट्रैश फेंकेगा. यस और फिर एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स बीमार भी हो सकते हैं. ये उनके लिए डेंजरस भी है. दे कैन डाई ऑल्सो. यस और नो? यस. सो क्या ये इको फ्रेंडली है? क्या ये अच्छी आदत है? नो, इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड हैबिट. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल कलर दिस रेड. ओके, दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड हैबिट. हमें वाटर बॉडी में कभी भी कोई भी ट्रैश नहीं डालना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ होम. वाटर बॉडी इज़ होम फॉर एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दी नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. वॉट कैन यू सी? यू कैन सी अ फैमिली जहाँ मम्मी है, पापा है एंड डॉटर है एंड एक और भैया है. और क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे? लेट्स सी, लेट्स रीड आउट एंड फाइंड. I donate my clothes, old clothes and toys that so that they can be recycled and reused. So ये जो लड़की है ये क्या कर रही है? What is the girl doing? The girl is donating her clothes and toys to other people who cannot afford. ओके, कुछ हमें जैसे हमारे मम्मी पापा हमको सब कुछ दे देते हैं, अच्छे टॉयज़, अच्छे क्लोथ्स, यस और नो, अच्छी बुक्स. बट कभी कभार कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको अच्छी टॉयज़, अच्छी बुक्स, अच्छे क्लोथ्स नहीं मिलते हैं, है कि नहीं? तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? जो टॉयज़ हमारे पास हैं और जो हम यूज़ नहीं करना चाहते या हम यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, हमें उन्हें ऐसे लोगों को दे देना चाहिए जो उसका यूज़ कर सके. सो ये कैसी आदत है? ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है और ये एक इको फ्रेंडली हैबिट है. यस और नो? यस, शी इज़ डूइंग अ गुड डीड. सो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? वी विल कलर इट रेड, ग्रीन. ओके, क्योंकि ग्रीन इको फ्रेंडली है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इको फ्रेंडली. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इको फ्रेंडली. बट इज़ दिस इको फ्रेंडली वेस्टिंग वाटर? नो. Putting trash in water is eco-friendly? No. Then we will see, look at the seventh picture, the next picture. Now what is happening here? What is happening here? What is the girl doing here? Oh, the girl is plucking flowers. She is in a garden and she is plucking leaves and flowers. Now see, I like plucking the leaves and flowers from trees all the time. Trees will grow new leaves and flower. Is this a good habit? ये बच्ची जो है ये क्या कर रही है? ये जो है ये पत्ते तोड़ रही है. Leaves से she is plucking flowers and leaves every time. Now what is she saying? That they will grow new leaves and flowers. Okay. इज़ दिस अ गुड हैबिट? हमें प्लांट्स फ्लावर्स प्लग करने चाहिए? नहीं, दिस इज़ अ बैड हैबिट. हमें ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए. हमें फ्लावर्स नहीं तोड़ने चाहिए, हमें लीव्स नहीं तोड़ने चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि लीव्स एंड प्लांट्स आर अ लिविंग बीइंग. अगर हम उन्हें तोड़ेंगे तो उनको भी पेन होगा. ओके, दिस इज़ नॉट अ इको फ्रेंडली हैबिट. दिस सो देयरफॉर वी विल कलर इट रेड. नाउ see the next picture. What is the boy doing here? He is taking a bath. Now What is happening here? I take a long shower every morning. Now, is it a good habit or bad habit? नहाना तो अच्छी बात होती है कि नहीं? आपका बॉडी क्लीन हो जाता है, you become clean. Yes or no? You maintain hygiene. Yes, but taking long shower is not required. आपको अपनी बॉडी क्लीन करनी है, लेकिन वाटर वेस्ट नहीं करना है. आप अगर आपकी बॉडी क्लीन हो गई है फिर भी आप लॉन्ग शावर ले रहे हो तो दिस हैबिट इज नॉट इको फ्रेंडली. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर वेस्टिंग वाटर. यस और नो? यस. सो दिस इज व्हाई दिस इज अ not good habit. This is not eco friendly, therefore we will color it red. Now repeat again. Let's see being eco friendly. The first picture, he is wasting water. Is it eco friendly? No, it is not eco friendly, so we will color it red. Now look at the second picture. The second picture, she is protecting animals. She does not buy those products which are tested on animals. Yes or no? Yes. So this is a good habit. Yes, this is eco-friendly habit. Therefore, we will color it green. Now look at the next picture. He only uses paper and jute bags which can be recycled. They do not pollute earth. So this is a good habit. Yes or no? Yes, this is a good habit. So this is an eco-friendly habit. So we'll color it green. Now look at the next picture. I use old wrapping papers to wrap the presents. Now he is recycling, reusing. He is reusing the products. Reusing is very nice habit. This is an eco-friendly habit. Therefore we will color it green. Now look at the next picture where the kids are throwing trash in the water, and this is a wrong habit. You should not throw trash in water because these are homes to aquatic animals. Therefore, this is not an eco-friendly habit. So you will color it red. Okay. Now look at the next picture where the girl is donating her clothes, toys and books so that they can be recycled and reused. This is a good habit. So you will color it green. Very nice. Now look at the next picture where the girl is going in the garden and breaking leaves and flowers. This is a bad habit. You should not pluck trees, leaves and flowers. Why? Because if you do not require, you should not pluck it. Yes or no? Yes. Unnecessarily you should not pluck trees, flowers, leaves, anything from trees. Okay? Yes. Now the next picture where the boy is taking unnecessarily long time for shower. Yes, you should clean your body and you should not do that. I am not wasting water, I will not take bath. You should not do like that. You should clean your body but you should not waste water. Okay? Very nice. Now we will have finished this. We have done a quick recap of being eco-friendly. Now children, turn the page to turn to page number 9. Now this is make living. Okay. Now read make a living. Read the clues given in each picture. Under each picture, identify these people and pick your answers from the help box. Now what have been asked here? You are given 6 pictures. Now what are happening in this picture? Look at the first picture. The first picture here is I write the words of song. That means he writes songs. आप गाने सुनते हो ना? Yes. You like listening songs? Yes. So इनको हम क्या कहेंगे? इनको हम कहेंगे lyricist और songwriter. How will you write lyricist? This is the spelling of lyricist or songwriter. Okay. Or otherwise you can straight away look here. Wait. Here, see. Can you see here? Yes. So you will write the person who writes words of song is lyricist or songwriter. Okay, very nice. Now look at the second picture. Now what is happening in the second picture? I design and develop video games. Now you play video games? Yes, you play games in your mobile and your computer and your laptop? Yes. Who develops or who designs those games? He is known as video game developer. Okay. So the person who designs and develops video games is video game developer. Now look at the third picture. I make breads and cakes. Now who makes bread and cake? Yes, the baker. So you will write here the baker. Okay, very nice. So the person who makes bread and cakes is baker. Now look at the next picture. The picture number 4. I teach students how to play football. Means what does this person do? This person helps students to learn football. So he is a coach, a football coach. Can you find where is the football coach written? Here. Yes. So what would you write here? Football coach. Very nice. Now see, look at the picture number 5. I treat the disease of the teeth and gums. जब आप अच्छे से ब्रश नहीं करते हो तो आपके टीथ में पेन होता है कि नहीं? आपके टूथ में पेन होता है कि नहीं? यस. जब पेन होता है तो मम्मा आपको कहाँ ले जाती हैं? डेंटिस्ट के पास. सो द पर्सन who treats disease of teeth and gum is known as dentist. Wait, let me find the version. So here is dentist. Okay, इसीलिए हमें we have to brush our teeth twice a day. Once early in the morning when you get up, and second you have to brush your teeth before going to bed at night. After eating, after washing your hands and changing your clothes, when you go to sleep, before going to sleep, what will you do? You will brush your teeth. So that your teeth are healthy and your tooth doesn't pain. Okay. So the person who treats the disease of teeth and gums are dentists. Now look at this picture. What can you see? You can see a man flying an aircraft with wearing a uniform. Okay, a person wearing a uniform is flying an aircraft. So who is he? He is a pilot. Yes. So the person who flies an airplane is a pilot. Yes. Now let's do a quick recap. Now I write the words of a song. Who am I? I am a lyricist or a songwriter. Now the next picture. I design and develop video games. Who am I? I am a video game developer. Now the next picture. I make breads and cakes. Who am I? I am a baker. Baker makes yummy cake which you cut on your birthday. Yes or no? We cut cake on a birthday. Do we cut it or no? Yes, we cut. Do you like eating cakes? Yes. But after eating cakes, you should always remember to brush your teeth. How much time will you brush your teeth? You will brush twice a day. Okay, early morning when you get up, and the next is before going to bed. First, early in the morning after you get up, and then next before going to bed. Okay, so you can eat tasty cakes. If you do not brush your teeth, you won't be able to eat cakes. Why? Because your tooth will keep on paining. Now the next, I teach student how to play football. So the person who teaches you to how to play football is a football coach. He helps you to play football so that you can win many awards. Yes or no? You can play zonal, state. Yes or no? Yes, you can very well play. Now, look at the next picture. I treat disease of teeth and gums. So who is the person who treats the disease of teeth and gums? He is a dentist. Yes. Now next, I fly an aircraft. Who flies an aircraft? An pilot. A pilot flies an aircraft. We will stop here for today. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.